Man, what's up, man? Y'all can't even see me. Alright, so basically what happened, the light, alright, so they cut off the light and the fact that we didn't pay the light bill. So I just went to go ahead and pay it. And, you know, it was, I mean, it was a little pricey, but not too much, you know what I'm saying? Um, yeah, I just went to go ahead and pay it. So they should be reconnecting it soon. I don't know what time, but soon. Meanwhile, though, we got, we went to go get our food. I got me a torta, like always. I love tortas. So, Boy Regio, they do a good job on that. But the only thing right now is that my fucking stomach hurts, bro. When I say it hurts, like, it's
In pain.
yeah, like roaring ass right now. Like, it's trying to make a chorro right now, dude. So, we gonna have to see what's up. Anyway, like I said, they should be fucking putting this shit on already. Me and my sister right now. We almost at the crib. I think I'm supposed to be going to work at 4, but to be honest with y'all, you think a nigga really about to go to 4? Hell no. I'm about to go to 5. I don't give a fuck. No, I'm just playing. I do. But I'm not going because of the fact that I need to explain things to someone. So yeah. So if my niggas watching this, look, I'm not at work because I need to be explaining some shit. Alright? And if y'all niggas wanna be bitches and be bitches, I don't know what to tell you.
I'm a clear fight.
Wow.
Love you.
Alright. So I guess let's do a mukbang or some shit.
A what?
A mukbang? How the fuck y'all say it? Mukbang, mukbang?
I thought it was mukbang.
It's mukbang?
It's mukbang,
I don't
right?
even know how to say it, bro. Alright, get closer to the camera, I guess. Fuck it. Or me back it up. Either one of those.
Look, I saw it on the Dolan Twins channel.
Really?
Yeah. Like,
I don't know what the fuck it's called. But
we're
since
doing the
oh, what the
IHOP.
fuck? I thought it was already fucked. I was like, that's fucked up. They gave me some fucked up shit. Bro, this torta is like the fucking definition of
God.
really like this is the god of tortas.
The microphone, yeah.
So she got some chicken quesadillas, which we all love,
I love chicken queso.
and I grab a barbacoa torta barbacoa, cause I love torta barbacoas.
I'm a barbacoa. I love chicken.
Mhm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mm.
Oh yeah. This is it. Oh yeah. mm.
After we finish, we're gonna play Uno.
Mhm. But remember what I told you? I gotta go to Walmart because this shit does not turn on in 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna go to Walmart so I can get Wi-Fi.
Can you hear Wi-Fi?
Okay. So how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel of 2K19? You know what I'm saying? Like, how do you feel now? Like, since it's 2K19, what do you have for accomplishments?
This year?
Yes.
Okay, well, one, I need to get better at math. Only class I'm struggling with. Only class.
Only class?
It's only because I never turn anything in. I do all the work and I never turn it in.
Wow, that's me. That's the real definition of me when I was a kid.
And no, that's one. Another one is to grow taller. I'm way too short. For something, guys. I'm for something.
She is short. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm sure I'm sure there's a shorter guys in school.
For real?
Yeah, he grew taller than me, and I was like,
Did they give us napkins?
yeah, but someone dropped it in the water.
You say you dropped in my water? I don't give a
For
fuck. Alright. What else?
mm. I feel like I should start getting more serious.
More serious
More calm.
in what?
I'm like, I just feel like I should be more serious instead of like, cause I play around too much.
Yeah, you do play around too much. Alright, well, what I
Don't worry
want to
about
do for, my accomplishments is, yes, of course, focus on, YouTube. Focus on YouTube. Also focus on. I'm already a better person since last year, but I feel like this year's gonna kick in more. I feel like, you know, it's gonna be. I'm gonna be more of a better person than I was. But, yeah. I'm also, be a good father. Uh, fucking looked at me like, nigga, what? Yeah.
Who you got pregnant?
Nah, I'm just saying, like, with Mello.
Oh.
Oh my god, she's over here like, what the fuck? She's like, alert, alert.
I'm like, how come I don't know this?
Right. Nah, you know who the fuck's my son.
Shit, where is
Also,
my son?
he's probably freezing to that, nigga. I don't know. Oh, and get a good house, like not an apartment, not a condo, not nothing like that, but a good ass house. Not rent, no, a good house. You know what I'm saying? Like I want a good
Is it
house.
2 stories?
Mm,
Basement and main floor.
no. I think a two-story would be cool. But yeah, that's basically what I want. Also, go to the gym. Fuck.
Let me start working out again.
Yeah, right. I tell him how it used to be.
He used to be more buff than this. Like,
Hell yeah.
he used to go like every weekend.
Every day.
Oh yeah.
Some
Almost every day.
some weekends I wouldn't
Every other
go
day.
because it was my cheat day, and I would go to like Pluckers and things like that. For people who live in Texas, y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. Well, I don't even know. I don't even know Pluckers is everywhere, but all I know is that Pluckers is fucking delicious. So my cheat days used to go to Pluckers a lot.
It's on my head.
Okay,
Um,
you asked me a question. I don't know what the fuck.
what do you hope? Mm, hold on, I'm thinking.
Huh?
I said, hold up, I'm thinking.
Mm.
What is your main goal for this channel?
My main goal for this channel? Well, obviously, everybody, not just me. There's a lot of more YouTubers. There's a lot of more people out there that
Mhm.
do videos and shit. And I'm pretty sure, like, you know, um, a lot of people say, oh, my main goal is like, to hit 1 million, 2 million, 3 million subscribers and shit. Well, yeah, that could be one of my goals. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I do want to hit like 1 million subscribers, but at the same time, I also want to, bro, I want to be like able to, you know, to just express myself without being judged. Simple. Like my main goal to this channel is to basically show y'all could do what y'all want to do without, regardless of anything, regardless of anybody saying things to you. You know what I'm saying? Just how you sing. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, she sings. Don't let this pretty face tell you she don't sing. She sings, okay? She's a singer. I'm a rapper. My brother's a rapper. All right, we rappers. Well, we all singers in some ways. She's a singer. So just how she sings, like, and some people judge her, like, yo, fuck that. Like, fuck the negativity that people have on you. Do what you like to do. Doesn't matter who it is. It could be your family that could be like, oh, they're judging you. Nah, fuck that. Like, erase that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, do you.
It's like
Basically what I'm
Miles was
saying.
doing your haircut.
Huh?
It's like Miles was doing your haircut.
What do you mean?
Who's gonna tell we were two dreads?
Huh?
No, Miles was looking at you all weird with your
Oh
dreads.
yeah. Y'all saw. Look, if y'all go see the other video of New Year's, you can see like one of my uncles who had glasses on. He was looking at me like this. Well, he was as soon as I walked in because of my braids and shit, and I damn I can't do it. All right, and I was like, I was like, fuck you looking at? I literally looked at him like the fuck you looking at? And you know, he was just like okay, like you know, cause he's never seen that before. But yo, you know, I had to let that boy know.
Mm.
And I posted on my Snapchat channel too. I said, you know, say all the bullshit you want to me right now, cause in 2K19, it ain't gonna matter to me no more. And it really how it be like that.
So much onion.
Onion?
Yeah.
They put onion?
They put onion in guacamole.
Oh well, duh. Yeah.
Anyway,
What do you?
you know, every single time I hear my main goal, I'm like, my main goal is to blow up and act like I don't know nobody. Right here. I saw the video. Hold on.
But yeah, man, that's like, I mean, that's the main channel is just to have fun, fuck what anybody got to say that's negativity around you, and just do you. Do what you like, you know, do what you believe in. And you will accomplish it and go somewhere, you know what I'm saying? Like, I believe in this shit. Even though right now we might be, you know, low subscribers and shit, it doesn't matter to me. As long as I got y'all support, as long as we doing good, as long as I'm, you know, recording something, putting something, it's the fact that yo, I'm doing this because I like it and because, you know, I want y'all to see my life, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't because obviously like it's around a lot of people and a lot of people make assumptions and shit like I'm dying. I still got the fucking cough. Damn!
You're dying.
Fuck. Yeah. I know what you're talking about. What the fuck? I didn't see that one. Alright. Okay, what about you? What is your main goal? Alright, what's your main goal like to. Fuck.
To not drop my food.
Alright, what is your main goal through high school year? I mean, high school year to middle school year.
They did put onions in this one. Huh?
What's your goal this middle school year? Like, what do you want to accomplish? You just said math.
Yeah,
You just
I
said you
really
wanna
need to
do
get better at
math.
my like. I honestly do a lot of work in there. It's just that one, I get distracted.
Yeah, you do.
I always end
You
up
always
getting
do.
distracted. I get easily distracted. That's
Hold
one of
up.
my main problems.
I'm listening to you. They gotta listen to you though.
That's like one of my main problems. I need to like, hey, um, oh, my baby freezing. Come here.
Come on. Listen.
Me goes cara. What else? Is this how ugly I am? You killed him.
Ah. Bro! Fuck! I hate mucus. It's like the only thing that bothers me.
Sips tea.
Mucus.
Oh yeah, but another thing that I really want to accomplish is like to not have freaking drama at the end of the school year like last year.
Well, what happened last year?
Okay, so last year,
I want to be nosy.
no, you remember that show Little White Girl?
No.
Well, there was this girl, I'm not gonna name names, but there was this girl. Next time she's gonna see this video, she'll be like, alright, you're gonna talk shit.
Right.
No, there was this girl at the end of the school year. All of my friends had a problem with her, and like we were like, okay, cause she always caused drama. She was always starting stuff. She was always being dramatic. So we were like, okay, we don't want to hang around with this toxic person.
Right.
So we kind of pushed her away. And like one day, one of my friends was like, yo, can we just kick her out of the table? Cause I honestly don't feel comfortable with her. And I was like, yeah. I was like, in my mind, I was like, okay, one, that is kind of messed up, cause you know it's a lunch table. It's for everybody.
Right.
But we really didn't want to deal with her toxic drama.
Right.
So we told her, we were like, or no, we didn't tell her. One of my friends already snitched on her. Well, not on her, but snitched to her.
Oh.
And and then she got all dramatic. She started crying, like always.
Goddamn, like always.
Yeah, she was always crying about some stupid shit. I mean, one time she was fucking crying because her boyfriend left the table. And I was dying.
Bro, okay.
Wait, and then like when it came to gym, cause like gym is my next period. Like,
Nigga.
hey, we didn't drop it. I got
I'm
it.
my mama. But damn, watch out.
You know what? How about I put my food
Yeah, how
down?
about you just slide your food that way if you're already done?
I'm not done, but I'm gonna talk with my
Yeah,
hands.
you're gonna talk with your hands. You're gonna do a lot of expressions that involve
Hands.
slapping and shit.
I'm gonna end up slapping somebody. Anyway.
I wonder if y'all can see us. I remember it was dark.
It's really dark.
It's really dark. They gotta come on, chop chop, put these lights back on. Just pay the fucking bill.
And then yeah, but then it was gym, and like we were just sitting in the corner. We were just like, yo, what we should be dramatic about that.
Mhm.
And then like out of nowhere, it was only three of my friends. Four of my friends. It was Lessa, Aren, and Itzel. We were all chill. We were hanging around the corner because like everybody else
Wait.
was over there.
Okay, hold up. My bad, guys. I don't want to hear the story. You just said like you won't say names, but you only said that it was only a person.
Yeah,
And you were gonna explain the short story. Nigga, you spelling like a 20-minute story. This shit's already on 20 minutes.
It's a 16. Shut up.
Oh wow.
Let me finish.
Alright.
But anyway, those are my friends. So. And
No, I can't.
I don't care. The rest of the gym was like, suddenly all came to the door like, yo, leave her alone. What are you doing this? You're fucked up. Fuck you. This and this.
Wait,
you're
to
a
who?
slut. You're a whore.
To
To
who?
me.
Oh,
to
bro.
to my friends, and I was like, dude, and I was like, it's her fault. Why is she being dramatic? She always starting stuff, and they were like, leave her alone. If you don't want to deal with her, just don't talk to her. And I was like, all right.
I mean,
I
that's
stopped.
true shit.
I
That's
stopped
true
talking to
shit.
her. She came up to me. She started talking to me, and I didn't say nothing. And then like people still got on my ass. They're like, why the fuck are you talking at her? And I was like, dude, I'm not even talking to her. But like one day she came up to me, and it pissed the shit out of me. I was about to like, fucking punch her, like dead ass. Cause she came up to me and she was like, yo, what happened to her? Cause she was talking about one of my friends who was upset. And I was like, I don't know, I wasn't there. I can't explain nothing. And then she was like, yeah, sure, She didn't say that. And I was like, does it look like I know?
Y'all wanna know how my sister how like my sister really is pissed off? Because the fact that her pupils are open and wide.
Yeah.
She's
And I already have big eyes.
Like, she's pissed off.
And it pissed me off so much, but like I didn't want to start anything, so I let her walk away.
Right.
And the thing is that
Don't say I'm fucking mean, cause I'm not. I give you shit.
So, but then like I ended up punching the shit out of a wall. And I scared like three boys. Were like, yo, just step away from her right now. Cause somebody kept trying to talk to me.
Right.
And I was like,
Fine.
Gorilla. Donkey Kong.
Hulk smash. Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, I don't want that type of drama.
Alright, well, she just explained like big ass scenario, to be honest with you.
More of the story.
You serious? You not done yet?
No, I'm saying more of the story.
Oh, okay.
Don't stick with your toxic friends. Honestly, it'll mess you up.
Oh Lord. I'm not in school no more, so I don't know how that feels like. Look, to be honest with y'all kids, to any from elementary to sophomore year, alright, to when you get to high school.
I choked him, bro.
Alright, bro, don't be being sarcastic around shit, because honestly, to be honest with you, you guys are only gonna be kids for a good time, and there's gonna be beef. There's gonna be beef when you're a kid and shit. I remember when I was in middle school, I had beef with shout out to you, bro. I think I had beef with Oliver. It was Oliver, and then there was this one other dude. I think he used to bully me. I don't know, but I remember, I think I had beef with Oliver over some stupid shit. Honestly, I don't even remember. And then now that I saw him in Wichita, cause I went back, and I saw him in Wichita. I was with one of my homegirls, and I was like, yo, what's up, Oliver? And shit like that. And it was cool. Like, you know, like it's not, you know, I don't got beef with him or nothing. It's just the way that as kids you develop. You know what I'm saying? You develop this mindset that it's not true. But you know, you get over it when you actually grow up and stuff. So yeah. But shout out to my boy. You know what I'm saying? Like he cool. He doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? We all doing our things. But yeah. It's fucking cold in this bitch. I need to hurry up and turn the.
That's really cool. Like,
And I need to take a shit. I low key need to take a shit. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, you had the phone right there.
4.
It's 4? It's 4. Oh. It's like you taking a shit right here. Alright, man. Look.
oh my god, that's so cute.
He acts like I'm gonna hit him or some shit. I swear. Like
Aw, it's okay, baby.
he's acting like I'm gonna hit him. I'm not gonna hit you. Damn. Alright, hold on up, guys. I'm gonna pause this thing.